shovel today. He is filling some holes. He's been working at this for, I don't know, half hour or so. I guess he's just dumping for now and then it's going to pull it back. You're going to pull it back this way? No? Oh, okay. Alright, good.
Push the other way now.
One of the better investments, I think, considering what we have to do on this property. Definitely one of the better investments. We already had the tractor from a long time ago. Like, obviously that was the best investment, but this is just going to be an added bonus. Because unfortunately, as much as we would like to help support the local businesses around here, paying somebody to do the work that we just paid to get this thing, this just made more sense. So this is, I'm supposed to watch the thing now. He's pouring that in, and now I'm supposed to watch this thing and tell him when it gets to 3/4 or...
You see anything?
I'm seeing stuff come in, yeah.
Yep.
So we're about 1/3 of the way now. A little more. I just don't know if it's going to keep going, right? So stop.
It won't keep going.
It's still going. Now he's going to take it over to dig a new hole. Going over here. or you want to go forward a bit? Right? Okay, you're probably good there. What is that? That is so weird. They just buried a bunch of garbage here, I think. What the heck? Is that what they did? They just buried a bunch of garbage here? I can't believe how much garbage they put in there, but now we're down to soil, so is that good soil? Can we use that for, oh my god, there's like all this stuff under there. What are you hitting now, rock? That sounds like rock. I guess we're not going too deep with this one. Watch ahead. We gotta try a new spot yet again. This is the third spot. There was too many rocks and roots over there. Too many roots on the other side. So we're gonna go behind the bunkie now and see what happens. Sure, if you think that'll work, that's great. See what happens. Holding my breath here. This might be the only spot this might work. So far, so good, he says. Looking good. See how it goes. Gosh, you can hear that machine working though. As long as we don't hit any more rocks. Eh? How deep are you now?
This is looking good.
How deep are you now? I'm gonna come over there with the camera.
Use this pressure treated lumber to build it up.
Yeah, we can. This is from that pile of wood I just moved. This is potential. This has way more potential than the other two spots we tried. I guess the other spots we'll have to just fill in. So far, so good. I'd say we're about 2 feet down now. No rocks in sight, no water. This is very, very good. Keep going. So, I just thought this would be a better angle for y'all. There is a little bit of water in there, but it's nothing like the other spots. And if we build this up, we could also, bugs are bad down here, we could also put a tank in the ground here. Continue. It's okay. I just want to see. Okay, so we got Lennox beef, local potatoes, maybe, hopefully, turnip, carrots, all done on the barbecue. Wow, this is actually really pretty. Ah! It's good. We did miss the sunset too. I missed the sunrise the other day, and now I miss the sunset as well. Dude.
There you go.
Ah! Oh my God! There you go, you guys.
Hey, come on in. Oh.
Jump, Mike, jump!
No.
Oh. Scared of?
That is actually nice.
What you scared of?
Come over here.
He just pushed his dad in, and now he's like.
Son of a bitch.
Swim.
I loved it.
You had a good swim?
It was.
Nice. No, not right now. I don't. Definitely. Too many bugs. So he's dug a hole here. He's going to put some pipe in.
Yeah.
Get rid of this water.
See that log that's there? That's getting moved.
This.
I'm going to dig that all the way through.
Moving water. That's what we wanted. All this water that is gathering is going to go away now. Hopefully. Never ending. Beautiful tree. Puppy! Okay.
Well, or you know what we do? We just put your tap down here for now.
It's hot today. Oh, it works. I thought it was going to start spraying again. Like, I'm out of here.
No, it's all right.
Good. It works. Woohoo!